On April 24, 1990, the Hubble Space Telescope was launched, changing the course of astronomy forever. Dr. Martinez, could you enlighten us on the significance of this event for the scientific community?
Absolutely, Hubble allowed us to capture unprecedented images of the universe. For instance, the breathtaking view of the Eagle Nebula's pillars of creation was only possible due to Hubble's advanced optics. It provided astronomers tools to validate the theories that had been long debated, much like when Copernicus challenged the geocentric worldview.
An amazing leap indeed. However, wasn't the initial phase quite challenging? I believe the telescope faced some setbacks after launch.
Yes, Hubble initially suffered from a flawed mirror which led to blurry images. It was a significant setback, but the collaborative efforts of NASA and the European Space Agency were remarkable. An ingenious repair mission in 1993 corrected the defect, demonstrating the power of resilience and international cooperation.
A true testament to perseverance. Looking forward, with rapid advancements in optical technology, how might future telescopes exceed Hubble's legacy? Hubble has vastly enriched our understanding of the cosmos. By observing Cepheid variables, it helped pinpoint the universe's age, approximately 13.8 billion years. Have you seen any images that personally impacted you, Sam?
Absolutely, the deep field images are just spectacular. They remind me of standing on a lonely beach and realizing how vast the ocean is. But considering Hubble's cost, some critics argue its discoveries haven't justified the billion-dollar investment.
A valid concern, but it's important to recognize its educational impact. For example, Hubble inspired a new generation of astronomers. Plus, it resolved long-standing questions about the universe's expansion rate and accelerated space missions like James Webb.
Inspiring discoveries indeed. How do you think Hubble might pave the way for future cosmic explorations?
Speaking of the James Webb Telescope, global collaboration seems key to these space projects. How has Hubble influenced international partnerships in space exploration?
Hubble set a precedent for pooling resources and intellect from around the world. It made projects like the International Space Station possible. For instance, European astronomers had access to Hubble's data, which sparked a wave of innovation across the Atlantic. This collaboration model is like how diverse teams now tackle climate change.
But are there any pitfalls to such widespread cooperation? I've heard diverse priorities can sometimes slow progress.
Indeed, coordination across borders can be a challenge. However, the success of initiatives like the Square Kilometre Array, which involves 13 nations, shows that collective benefits far outweigh these challenges. By aligning goals, astronomical collaborations are tackling the biggest questions about dark matter and hidden galaxial phenomena.
It seems collaborations have a bright future. Speaking of which, with technology evolving so quickly, what cosmic mysteries could tomorrow's telescopes uncover that today's cannot? The next generation of telescopes could revolutionize our understanding of dark energy and exoplanets. Imagine a device capable of not just identifying distant worlds, but also analyzing their atmospheres for signs of life. A project like NASA's LUVOIR is set to do just that, opening new doors to spacetime mysteries.
Incredible prospects, but there's always the question of costs. Would investing in these advanced telescopes be worthwhile compared to addressing issues here on Earth?
A common debate, yet space exploration has historically produced returns by driving technology. GPS, for instance, was a byproduct of space research. Moreover, understanding cosmic forces like gravity waves enriches all sciences, improving everything from weather prediction to quantum computing.
Fascinating insights, Dr. Martinez. So, as we continue to gaze into the cosmos, what's your personal hope for humanity's future discoveries?